So let me see if I have any other questions here. Okay, somebody said, can you tell me the vulnerability remediation times for RA5 and 30 days for high, 90 days for medium, and 180 days for low? I mean, that's about right. I mean, a lot of organizations will come up with their own process or their own time frame for doing those. I've seen organizations say 3 days for criticals or highs and a week for mediums and 90 days for lows. It depends on the organization and what they're doing. So the organization can write their own policy that states this is how we're going to do it, right? So here's the thing. The reason why you can't have to where everybody has a cookie cutter response to this is because every organization has a different impact level for their information. So sometimes what I mean by that is some information, some systems are so important that if it goes down, like if a vulnerability was to take it out, people's lives are in danger, right? So for those systems, it's not going to be 30 days for a high. It's going to be 7. It could be hours. It could literally, I've seen systems, what's the shortest I've seen for critical vulnerabilities has been, I've seen it for like 48 hours, something like that. Hours. I've seen it down to hours or days, like a few days. I've seen mediums at like 7 days, and I've seen them that low before. So it really depends on the organization, depends on how important the information is. That's why you can't really have a cookie cutter response to your vulnerability remediation process. And an organization should really have their own breakdown of that. You know, and if you have contractors doing it, you would put that in your service level agreement and say, okay, it's going to be 30 days for highs, it's going to be 90 days for this, and 180 days for that. You know, so it really depends on the organization and their security policy. So hope that answers your question.